obsession with reptiles ended up turning me into one. All you pretty young things are mine. What's that aura? He's no ordinary man! No wonder he looks familiar! The dude's a living legend! I'm so sorry for what I've done, Mr. King!
Teach him a lesson, King!
Are you here because you sense the monster's presence, King?
Who are you to question, King? You better back off!
Give us some room!
Finally got a copy. Heartbeat Hottie Sisters 2 Limited Edition. Can't wait to get back home and play it.
That man appears to be king.
I've been waiting 3 years for this sequel.
He managed to outrank you quickly, Master. This might be a good opportunity to observe King's capabilities.
My moniker is G4, a machine god created by the organization.
You seem to know my rank in hero class.
Killing you is the reason I've come.
It's the sound you hear when King goes into battle!
Our battle will serve as a live test of my combat AI system.
But I'm gonna have to drop a deuce first.
I will wait 10 minutes. For every minute beyond that, 10 humans will die.
So you've come to kill me, have you?
Why is this happening to me? I'm not a strong hero! The whole King Engine thing is just my heart pounding! Rampaging monsters just show up wherever I go! Someone else defeats them! That's all it is! It's my bad for not denying it from the get-go.
I'm so screwed.
There's gotta be a way out of this!
Hey, Genos, you need a hand or...
No!
He is mine!
Okay, then.
I made it home, but holy crapola! I'll just play my new game and forget about it.
Hi there, big fella. Input your name, please.
What should I use?
King seems fine to me.
Wait,
How'd he get in?
Your window was open, so...
I'm 22 floors up. Look, I assume you're aware that I'm a Class S hero, aren't you?
You know, you don't exactly seem like the type that would play this sort of game. What's this game?
Oh, that's a cool action game!
Then let's play this one.
What? You actually want to play with me? He's pretty pushy for a Class B hero.
Your huge body was your downfall. The pilot? No, it's true form.
Man, you're really good at this.
How long is this guy gonna stay?
Why'd you run off earlier? Why'd you hot-footed away from that robot monster? Are you bored of fighting monsters? You can talk to me, dude. Another one, huh? I think I'm gonna bail. Seems like these monsters keep coming straight for you, don't they?
I've had awful luck like this my whole life.
I must do something about these beams!
Come down here! My objective is to gather data on King alone!
Again and again! Trouble always seems to find me while someone else beats the monster. People think I was the one who saved the day. King, how pathetic. I'm a giant ball of lie!
The steam is diffusing my lasers!
You are gonna fight this thing.
There's no choice. I have to tell him.
Your reputation and record as a hero is just a bunch of lies?
How's he still standing there? Did he?
You okay, man? Hey! Is your eye okay? Can you see?
Who are you?
Just someone trying to be a hero for fun.
It's you.
I'm so sorry!
I'm not gonna lecture you or anything. You're everyone's hero now, understand? Everyone thinks you're the strongest hero there is. Why don't you just get strong? I'm heading out. See ya. I'll drop by again to play games.
Yeah.
This came from a machine god called G4. If any of its components are compatible, please install them on me. I have to become stronger, Doctor. My current goal is to make it to the top 10 of Class S.
This guy? For real?
His scores were the highest ever recorded on the physical tests.
Miss Blizzard.
There's something about this man. The first thing we'll need to do is locate him.
Right.
We're coming for you, Saitama. Just you wait!
Hey, why are you taking all the items?
I'm pretty sure I can handle them without you.
The controller broke.
We're here to ask a bunch of criminals for help?
We're in a crisis. No one expects you to work for free. You will be compensated. Listen, we have no...
Well, now, look at this. She knew a god-level threat like no one had ever seen was on its way. All of these nobodies combined wouldn't be enough to take me down. Want a demonstration? Let's find out who's the strongest in...
We don't need you. Get lost. I've got a job for you three heroes.
Looks like you forgot to put some heart into that punch. Strong! I'll burn your body to ash. My arm! Well, I'm sure this pile of bodies gets my point across. Till next time.
We have moved up the ranks, Master Saitama.
All I really did was just defeat whatever monsters I bumped into.
You defeat them, but you do not report those victories to the Association. In other words, the citizenry is watching you. I believe that in a very short time, you might even have fan clubs pop up. High-speed object detected. Master appears to be preoccupied, so I will go. Show yourself.
Where's Saitama? We've met somewhere before. I'm Saitama's rival, and I'm here to settle the score.
You have the audacity to call yourself Master's rival? How shameless!
Oh, crap. I overwrote King's save.
My hero name is Hellish Blizzard. Perhaps you've heard of me.
Nope, not even once. Sorry.
Every hero who ascends to Class B must first properly introduce themselves to Hellish Blizzard.
Fine. Hello, my name is Saitama.
Are you aware of the various factions in the hero business? I'm saying it's impossible to raise your rank alone. I want you to join our little group.
Huh? If I refuse to align myself with you, you'll stand in my way. Are you afraid that I might take your rank 1 spot?
I'm still waiting for your answer.
Obviously, the answer is no.
Time to teach him a lesson! What a shame. Guess I'll have to handle this myself.
So are you gonna fight by flinging rocks and stuff at me?
Hellstorm! The brutality of it all breaks your will in an instant. All my enemies tremble
You know,
before-
for a top ranker, you're kinda sensitive. The world is chock full of super strong and pretty awful people. This whole act is pathetic. Show heroes some respect.
Shut up! You don't know anything about me!
How curious.
That's Genos, the Class S.
Master Saitama, apologies. I kicked up some dust around your home.
You have connections with Class S heroes?
Huh?
I am Master Saitama's disciple. You have targeted Master Saitama as your latest newcomer hero to crush.
You just got caught up in all that dust kicking you were doing.
Loading shuriken!
You could throw 100 more of those things. You would not harm me.
Watch, Saitama. After I turn your disciple into scrap, your neck!
He's dangerous.
Accelerate!
I can't see a thing.
Why does he keep going behind me?
You had some lint in your hair, but I picked it out.
Machine gun blows!
Wait!
What a hopeless buffoon. Now die! Scatter flash slash! Maximum intensity! He dropped before I slashed him, trying to save your disciple.
Hey, Genos, you built for petty street fights like this? Come at me, bro.
Prepare yourself! Tenfold funeral!
A hero at Saitama's level stands no chance against him.
Killer move, serious series. Serious sideways jumps.
Beat me with shockwaves? I swear, next time we...
Such power. He's not normal.